everybody, my name is Steve. I'm the Director of Marketing here at Armasight, and today I want to go over the Contractor's many features. One of the many features that Contractor has is the ability to change the color palettes depending on the hunting scenario you are operating in. So depending on the weather conditions, if it's hot, cold, lots of humidity or dew point, you would use the internal features of the Contractor in order to optimize the image as best as possible. I have the Contractor connected to my laptop here, and it's looking at a thermal target not that far away, so we could get a good viewing of the capability of the transitioning palettes depending on the environment you're operating. It's very simple. You actually only need to use one turret to accomplish what you need. Now, there's many settings, including enhancements and the detail enhancements that you could operate within the Contractor, but until you learn how to manipulate your Contractor and understand the various nuances that are associated with the type of weather you're operating in, I would suggest you use the presets. But I will go over the enhanced menu as well, just in case you want to get into that. So in order to adjust the palette, all you have to do is toggle between the two presets, either the palette, white hot, black hot, with your left turret. By turning your left turret, you get to adjust the various palettes that are inside the Contractor. Now, when you press once on the turret, you get to manipulate the various other settings, which are, for instance, indoors, sky and sea, depending on different weather conditions. So toggling between the two is very easy by pressing lightly on the left turret and then turning the turret to select the type of palette you want. By clicking on the turret, you could select the various enhancement settings. Now, if you want to get into more advanced settings, all you have to do is press and hold the left turret. The enhanced menu will pop up. Click once more to get in there. And there you could adjust their contrast, your sharpness, your brightness, your gamma, and your gain. So depending on the conditions in the field, you would want to adjust your gain, your contrast, your brightness to enhance the image quality for the environment you're operating. I hope this short tutorial was insightful. We'll see you next time. Thanks.